In the 1950s and 60s, 31 African countries achieved independence from the colonial rule, and the future looked bright. The colonial powers were anxious, however, to retain the financial foothold in the country into which they have put in so many resources, and aid looked like a good way of achieving this. There was also a geopolitical dimension. The dynamics of the Cold War required newly independent countries to choose their allegiances, which meant choosing between capitalist or socialist models of political economy. The US and the Soviet Union were both happy to install dictators, from Idi Amin to Samuel Doe to Mobutu Sese Seko, and aid was the crucial means of keeping the country on your side. Whether or not any actual development was occurring out of this was all secondary. Zambian economist DAMBISA MOYO, the author of Dead Aid, gives a very important advice about aid. She says aid is like a drug, and as with any drug, purchasers and addicts find it hard to kick the habit. She calls it the pop culture of aid and says it has provided an outlet for the belief that something is being done about the African development.